Hi, it's Joy Lucinda, Restore Joy After Loss. Thank you for joining me today. Wouldn't it be great to have joy in the workplace again? To have your employees be more productive, more happy, to have people stay and not leave your organization, to save money because people are happy and they actually finish the projects. They take more time or more energy to actually make your company successful. That is more than possible. I teach teams and individuals in the workplace how to restore their joy and function with joy, even in the midst of grief, chaos, and stress. Whether they've had a personal loss, like a divorce, or the loss of a loved one, or a work loss, which might be um, screwing up a speaking gig or a marketing campaign, or losing the sale that really could have boosted your bottom line, or maybe even your teams are in complete disarray right now, or the management is in disagreement, or there's negativity in the workplace. Through the Restore Joy protocol, I can show you and your employees and your teams how to incorporate simple, easy to apply strategies in order to function with joy. And it's all about that individual making the decision and changing their perception of the workplace, even if the chaos and stress continues. So, aren't you curious how that can happen? Join me, Joy Lucinda, and you can get a hold of me at 630-200-2554 or restorejoyafterloss@gmail.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and may your day be filled with peace, ease, and joy. Joy Lucinda, Restore Joy After Loss, and restore joy in the workplace.